Hello again. The weather has definitely changed and there's no sign of a return to warm and sunny weather, certainly for the next few days. No, it stays on the cool side. It'll be blustery on Friday with some showers around, especially wet and windy for a spell on Saturday. Sunday looks as if the weather should start to calm down a little bit. The winds will ease and it does look at least a little bit drier, but all the time, certainly a lot cooler than it has been. In fact, it's going to be a pretty chilly night. There'll be further outbreaks of rain across northern England, showery rain pushing its way slowly southwards down the eastern side of England, scattered showers elsewhere, some clearer slots. And as I said, that will allow the temperatures to drop single figures in most towns and cities, staying quite mild across the southwest perhaps, but certainly further north in rural areas will be well down into single figures to start Friday. Friday then, we'll see lots of showers, initially across the west perhaps, but developing quite widely as we go through the day. There'll be some heavy ones too. The winds will also steadily increase, particularly across northern Scotland, where the rain will become more persistent by the afternoon, in fact turning into a very wet afternoon across the far north of Scotland and increasingly windy also. So a blustery feel. There will be spells of sunshine between the showers elsewhere, and the showers should tend to zip through because of the brisk breeze, but it's certainly going to feel cool. Temperatures struggling to get into the teens in many places. In the south, with a bit of shelter, we could reach 17 or 18 degrees, but overall on the chilly side for this time in June, and certainly a lot cooler than it was at the start of the week. Now, this band of rain coming into northern Scotland, that rain is going to be persistent through the afternoon, but also accompanied by ever-strengthening winds, particularly gusty across northern Scotland, western Scotland and Northern Ireland during Friday late afternoon and into the evening. Unusually windy for the time of year. Those gusts of wind especially lively around the coasts and accompanied with some of that persistent rain. It's going to feel rather unpleasant, all tied into an area of low pressure and this weather front that continues to trickle south during Friday night and into Saturday. So a spell of rain on Saturday from this low pressure system, and the winds spiralling around it will be lively, and so all the while bringing down chilly air from the north as well. So it is going to be a blustery day. It won't rain everywhere all day on Saturday, but if you're stuck under this weather front, well, it will be pretty miserable, I think, for much of the day. So Wales, the Midlands, parts of southern England, seeing that rain slipping in through Saturday morning. Band of rain persistent too across parts of northeast Scotland and Northern Ireland. Elsewhere, some brighter spells, but a whole raft of showers, especially over eastern England, closest to the low pressure. They could be on the heavy side as well, with a possibility of thunder, but should brighten up across Wales, parts of northwest England as we go into the afternoon. Temperature-wise, well, again, low teens at best for most places, and again, it will feel cooler because of the gusty winds and when the showers come along. So a wet and windy spell through Friday night and Saturday, always on the chilly side. Some sunshine this weekend, and Sunday looks as if the weather should start to calm down. Still some showers, especially in the east, but overall the drier day of the two and a bit less windy. Plenty going on, so make sure you stay up to date with the very latest from the Met Office by following us on social media.